The SPDR FTSE UK All-Share UCITS ETF, or FTL, is an exchange-traded fund ETF that gives investors exposure to the entire UK stock market, covering large, mid, and small-cap companies. It tracks the FTSE All-Share Index, which represents around 98% of the UK stock market by market capitalization, making it one of the most comprehensive ETFs for UK equity exposure. What does FTL do? FTL invests in over 600 UK-listed companies, spanning multiple industries like financials, healthcare, consumer goods, and energy. It aims to replicate the performance of the FTSE All-Share Index by holding shares in all the companies in the index, weighted by their market size. This means the largest companies like Shell, HSBC, and AstraZeneca have a bigger influence on the ETF, but you also get exposure to smaller, high-growth companies, giving you a balanced view of the UK economy. Why invest in FTL? FTL is designed for investors who want broad exposure to the UK stock market in a single, low-cost investment. Unlike ETFs that focus only on the largest companies, like the FTSE 100, FTL includes mid-sized and smaller companies, which can offer higher growth potential. It's a great choice for both growth and income-focused investors, as it also pays regular dividends. Example of how FTL works. Suppose you invest £1,000 in FTL. Your money is distributed proportionally across all the companies in the FTSE All-Share Index. Larger companies like HSBC and Shell will take a bigger share, while smaller companies like those in the FTSE Small Cap Index will represent a smaller portion. If the UK market rises by 7% in a year, your investment in FTL is likely to grow by a similar amount, minus the fund's low management expense ratio, MER, of 0.2%. Additionally, the ETF collects dividends from the companies it holds and pays them to you regularly. Benefits of FTL. Comprehensive market exposure. FTL provides exposure to the entire UK market, from large-cap giants to smaller, fast-growing companies, ensuring full diversification. Dividend income. Many UK companies pay dividends, and FTL collects and distributes them, making it attractive for income-focused investors. Cost-effective. With an MER of 0.2%, FTL offers a relatively low-cost way to access a broad spectrum of UK equities. Balanced performance. The inclusion of mid and small-cap companies can provide higher growth potential compared to ETFs that focus only on large caps. Accessibility. FTL is listed on the London Stock Exchange, making it easy to buy and sell through your brokerage account. Risks of FTL. Market risk. FTL's performance is tied to the UK stock market. If the market declines, the value of your investment will also drop. Sector concentration. The UK market is heavily weighted toward financials and energy sectors, so FTL's performance can be influenced by the ups and downs of these industries. Is FTL right for you? FTL is a great choice for long-term investors seeking broad and balanced exposure to the UK stock market. Its inclusion of mid and small-cap companies makes it ideal for those looking for growth potential alongside dividend income. If you're building a diversified portfolio or focusing on the UK market, FTL is a strong contender.